Finding an AI avatar tool that actually looks human is genuinely difficult. Most platforms deliver flickering lips, robotic voices, and expressions that feel completely unnatural if you have been burned by those tools before you are not alone. That changes with HeyGen, and specifically with the launch of Avatar 5. I tried many AI tools to make my avatar look so unique, but found none. All I got is the flickering and motionless result. With HeyGen, my AI avatar looks so real, it looks so human. Let's compare this right away. The avatar you are listening to now is created with HeyGen Avatar V. Creators, educators, and online business owners often struggle with constant re-recording, costly translations, and the pressure to stay consistent across platforms. HeyGen Avatar 5 addresses this with a powerful digital twin engine. By recording just a 15-second clip, users can create a realistic avatar that captures their voice, expressions, and gestures. This avatar remains consistent across different scripts and environments, whether for business, YouTube, or presentations. With millions of avatars already created, the platform offers a refined, scalable solution for content creation without increasing workload, helping users reach wider audiences efficiently. When you first land on the HeyGen dashboard, you'll notice a clean sidebar filled with several key icons and links that serve as your gateway to everything the platform has to offer. The first icon is the Avatar section, and clicking on it allows you to create and manage avatars of your choice. Right next to it is the Video Agent, a powerful AI-driven tool designed for producing complete videos from simple prompts. You'll also find the Translate option sitting prominently in the sidebar, alongside an Apps section that neatly stores all the projects you've previously generated. At the center of the dashboard, HeyGen lays out your main creation options in a clear and accessible way. The first is build a video scene by scene, which gives you full creative control over your avatar, script, scene layout, and much more. The second is generate a video from a prompt, where the AI takes the wheel, writing the script, sourcing B-roll footage, integrating your avatar, and producing a complete video with very little effort required from you. You'll also see make an avatar video from script, where you simply provide a written script and your AI avatar delivers it on screen. Then there's create your AI avatar, which lets you record yourself, upload existing footage, or describe your appearance to bring a fully personalized avatar to life. The Translate. Any video option gives you access to over 175 languages and dialects with natural sounding voices and accurate lip sync. Finally, Start with a Template opens up a library of pre-designed layouts that are perfect for presentations, explainer videos, and much more. Let's begin with the Build a Video Scene by Scene option. Clicking on it takes you straight to a dedicated editing dashboard packed with creative tools. Here, you have several ways to get started. You can upload a pre-recorded audio file, type your script directly into the text editor, or record your voice in real time right within the platform. At the top right corner of the dashboard sits the Avatar Selection panel, where you can browse and pick any avatar based on your personal preference. For this walkthrough, we'll be working with Annie. Just below the avatar selector is the Voice panel, where you can choose from a wide range of voices and then fine-tune both the speed and volume to suit the tone of your content. For the avatar style, we'll be using Avatar 5, which is HeyGen's most advanced avatar format. What makes Avatar 5 truly remarkable is its ability to capture your voice, facial expressions, and natural movement from just a single 15-second video clip, with absolutely no studio setup or complex production required. From that one recording, the system can generate multiple looks, outfits, and environments, all while preserving your identity, natural gestures, and delivery style. The result feels genuinely human rather than robotic, and whether your video runs for 2 minutes or a full hour, your character's likeness, movement, and performance remain remarkably consistent from scene to scene, with film quality output throughout. Inside the editor, you can also customize the visual environment surrounding your avatar. You can upload any background image you prefer, or remove the background entirely with a single click. The platform also lets you adjust the radius, zoom level, and layout, giving you the choice between the original framing style or an alternative layout depending on what works best for your content. Once everything looks exactly the way you want it, simply click the Create button and your AI avatar video is ready to go. One of the most exciting capabilities within HeyGen is the ability to create a digital twin of yourself using Avatar V. To access this, navigate to the Avatar section from the main dashboard, where you'll find a variety of style options to explore. You can choose from the pre-existing styles on display, upload your own video footage to clone your real appearance, or use the Design with AI feature to generate a completely custom avatar based on a description. Once your avatar is configured, you can apply it to any project instantly. Clicking on an existing avatar will swap it into your video, giving it an entirely fresh look while keeping all of your original content and delivery intact. This makes it incredibly convenient to refresh your videos or produce multiple variations without ever needing to re-record a single frame. Generate a video from a prompt feature is where HeyGen's AI capabilities truly shine. Clicking on it brings you to a simple and intuitive interface where you enter your creative brief and let the AI handle the rest. For instance, using a prompt like "generate an advert video using a talking avatar about a coffee product," the system will write a complete script, select fitting visuals, integrate your chosen avatar, and produce a polished promotional video entirely on its own. By default, all output is rendered in stunning 4K resolution. If any part of the result doesn't quite match your vision, you can use the text editing box in the bottom left corner of the screen to describe exactly what you'd like changed, and the AI will update the video to reflect your feedback immediately. The Video Agent is HeyGen's most powerful and comprehensive content creation tool, purpose-built for producing complete, story-driven videos from detailed written prompts. To give you a sense of how detailed your input can be, here's an example of the kind of prompt you might submit. Create a bold, story-driven promotional video for a digital program called Creator Growth Lab, designed to help beginners build and scale their YouTube presence. Showcase moments of creators brainstorming ideas, filming content, editing on their devices, reviewing performance metrics, and celebrating channel growth. Emphasize practical, easy-to-follow steps, proven growth tactics, and visible results. Keep the tone inspiring, energetic, and focused on turning passion into consistent success. At the top of the Video Agent interface, you'll find the Avatar Selection menu, where you can choose from your personal avatar library or browse the public collection, which is organized into categories such as Professional, Lifestyle, UGC, Community, and Favorites. You can filter the selection further by gender, age, and ethnicity to find the avatar that best suits your video's tone and intended audience. Once your avatar is selected, you move on to the Voice panel, where you can filter options by language, age, and vocal style. Setting the voice to auto allows the system to intelligently select the most fitting voice for your script without any additional input from you. Within the prompt input area, you also have the option to attach supplementary resources, including brand assets, system references, and custom knowledge sources, all of which help the AI align its output more closely with your specific vision. From the settings panel, you can define the video length. For this demonstration, we'll go with 30 seconds and choose your preferred orientation, either portrait for mobile platforms or landscape for YouTube and other widescreen formats. When you're ready to proceed, simply click Generate. Alternatively, you can select the Chat and Plan option to collaborate with the AI in refining your creative direction before committing to a final production run. Once the video is generated, clicking Edit opens up the full editing view, where you can modify any on-screen text, reposition elements, and access a rich suite of AI-powered enhancement tools in the right-hand panel, including script writing, motion design, image generation, and video generation. The caption tool is particularly useful here. Clicking on it automatically generates subtitles for your video, and you can then adjust the font, style, and positioning to match your brand aesthetic. When you're satisfied with the result, click Generate one final time, give the video a title, and submit it to lock in the finished product. What makes the Video Agent so remarkably valuable is the combination of creative visibility and AI-driven automation it delivers. Before a single frame is rendered, you have full insight into the creative direction being taken, from avatar and voice selection to the overall style and structure of the video. And even after the video is generated, every element remains fully editable, including text, colors, positioning, layout, and transitions. It takes you smoothly from a raw idea all the way to a finished, publish-ready video, entirely within one platform. To bring your own personalized digital twin to life, return to the main dashboard and click Create Avatar in the top right corner. You'll be presented with two options: clone a real avatar or create a virtual character. A real avatar allows you to upload your own video footage. For this video, we will be using the virtual avatar, after which you'll give your avatar a name and let the system process your likeness. Once your digital twin is ready, head back to the Video Agent and type in your prompt. For example, you might enter something like, create a YouTube video on the reasons why many YouTubers hardly ever reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within their first 6 months of starting a channel. After configuring your preferred settings for avatar, voice, video length, and orientation, hit generate and watch as your personalized avatar video comes to life in a matter of moments. If you want to give the finished video a fresh visual atmosphere without touching a single word of the script or going back to re-record, click Edit a Copy in Studio beneath the video. Inside the Studio Editor, click on Avatar and then select Design with AI. From here, you can completely transform the environment surrounding your avatar by simply typing a description, something like dark background with cinematic lighting or dark studio, and pressing enter. The AI will then generate several environment variations for you to review. Pick the one you prefer, confirm your selection, click generate, and then submit. Within moments, your video will feature a brand new visual setting while your performance, delivery, and script remain completely unchanged. Here is the video we generated. Why do most YouTubers fail to hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in their first 6 months? Let's look at the data. Those monetization targets feel like a sprint, but for 90% of creators, the data shows it's a marathon most aren't prepared for. The biggest killer? Retention cliffs. If your audience isn't sticking around for the first 2 minutes, the algorithm stops pushing your content. Once your video is polished and complete in English, HeyGen makes it incredibly simple to extend its reach to a global audience through the Translate feature. From the homepage, click on Translate and make sure the mode is set to video dubbing. Upload your video file, click the language drop-down, and select your target language. For this example, we'll choose French. Hit the Translate button, and within a short while, HeyGen will produce a fully dubbed version of your video in French, complete with natural-sounding vocal audio and precisely synchronized lip movements that make it look and feel as though the avatar recorded the video natively in that language. With support for over 175 languages and dialects, this feature makes it genuinely possible for your content to reach audiences across every corner of the world, regardless of the language they speak. So let's take a look at the video we generated in French.
Pourquoi la plupart des youtubeurs n'atteignent-ils pas 1000 abonnés et 4000 heures de visionnage en 6 mois? Regardons les données. Ces objectifs de monétisation semblent être un sprint, mais pour 90% des créateurs, c'est un marathon auquel ils ne sont pas préparés. Le plus grand obstacle? Les chutes de rétention. Si votre audience ne reste pas pendant les 2 premières minutes, l'algorithme cesse de mettre en avant votre contenu.
Now that you've seen what's possible with HeyGen, and mostly with their new Avatar V, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and try HeyGen and thank me later.